Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best ceramic Christmas trees in 2019. To see the price and more information about these ceramic Christmas trees, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Best Choice Products Ceramic Christmas Trees. The Xmas season will be memorable and fun-filled with this ceramic tree by Best Choice Products. It is available in tabletop design and is ideal for different kinds of tables and desks. The unit is built from durable ceramic and has a modern glossy finish. Moreover, it has a versatile design and will look great in different settings. The smooth finish prevents the accumulation of dirt and dust and improves cleanup. It features 50 multicolored bulbs for extra beauty. In addition, because of the strong plastic construction, the bulbs are less likely to crack or break. The tree comes with a 7-pointed star topper. It is handcrafted by experts for an authentic feel and long life. The piece, which is perfect for offices, homes, classrooms and other places, it comes with a primary on-off switch as well as a 5-foot power cord. Moving on at number 4. We have the Bradford Exchange Ceramic Christmas Trees. Make this year's Christmas livelier by acquiring this animated tree. It comes in a tabletop format for placing on tables, desks and other flat places. The unit is popular because of the good design feature, reliability, and it also goes well with different interior decor. Some people use it in traditional themes while others in a modern-looking home. To ensure it lasts for a long time and is more tolerant of bangs abrasion exposure to the elements, this unit is made of strong durable. Furthermore, it constructed by seasoned professionals who pay lots of attention to the fine details. This leads to a product that is not only authentic but also reliable. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the ReLive Tabletop Ceramic Tree. Coming with a height of 14.5 inches, this ceramic tree is perfect for the Christmas season. The practical height makes it right for the office, home and other places. Moreover, it is compact and lightweight for good handling and portability to endure regular use, the elements, abrasion and more. The unit is made of sturdy ceramic materials. A word from satisfied consumers is that it keeps it nice looks for a longer time in comparison to other options. In addition, it boasts of superior engineering for maximum satisfaction. The multicolored bulbs enhance the mood and give it a modern look. Cleaning and maintaining it is easy thanks to the sleek finish. Some of its key positives are the easy installation, space-efficient design, good quality, durable and very versatile. At number 2. We have the Disney Tabletop Christmas Tree. The wonderful world of Disney. With the magic of Disney, the holiday season will be magical and joyous. It comprises several characters from Disney including Donald Duck, Mickey and Minnie, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Pinocchio, Bambino and many others. The pack has 50 characteristics to ensure you find your favorite. You also get Hawthorne Village to complement the festive mood. The professionals' handcrafted characters look very authentic and are also durable. The amazing tabletop Christmas tree brings life at the events, thanks to the many figures as well as vibrant colors. Furthermore, it rotates on the spot on 4 different levels to add life to the occasion. The piece fits okay on most spaces and is built of strong durable materials. Lastly, at number 1. We have the Treasures by Diane Christmas Tree. You don't need to bust the budget buying an expensive Christmas tree. You also should not ingest the space by using a very large tree. With the ceramic tree, you will still lighten the Christmas season. It's built using top-grade ceramic material that is revered for its longevity, reliability and easy maintenance. It should handle regular movements, the elements, knocks and bangs pretty well. On top of that, it has a glossy finish which looks fine in different settings. The Christmas tree is tough and remains steady throughout. Furthermore, the many colored lights help to bring out the festive mood and complement different decor. Chances of it toppling over due to wind or draft are unlikely. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.